Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video, we are going to learn about molecular basis of contraction of smooth muscle. Molecular basis of contraction of smooth muscle and mechanism of relaxation of smooth muscle. As described above, calcium concentration increases in the cell mainly by influx from extracellular fluid and partly by release from sarcoplasmic reticulum. The following stepwise process takes place sequentially to culminate in muscle contraction. Rise in cytosolic calcium mainly due to calcium influx from extracellular fluid, calcium binding to calmodulin, following which activation of myosin light chain kinase occurs. Calmodulin is a small protein associated with myosin light chain kinase, which is a calcium calmodulin dependent protein kinase. When calmodulin binds with 4 calcium ions, the calcium calmodulin complex activates the myosin light chain kinase. Activated myosin light chain kinase brings about phosphorylation of myosin head and stimulates myosin ATPase activity. Myosin light chain kinase utilizes one molecule of ATP and causes phosphorylation of the regulatory light chains of myosin on serine at position 19. This phosphorylation process is critical for the activation of myosin ATPase. Increased myosin ATPase activity and myosin actin interaction initiates the cross bridge cycle and shortening occurs due to sliding filament mechanism. The myosin ATPase enzyme is activated in the phosphorylated myosin head causing hydrolysis of one ATP molecule. The energized myosin head, we call that myosin ADP inorganic phosphate complex. The energized myosin head binds with actin producing the power stroke and pulls the thin filament towards the center of the thick filament. ADP and inorganic phosphate are released during this process. The cross bridge detaches from actin when another ATP molecule attaches to myosin, reducing its affinity for the actin. Then the myosin ATPase enzyme hydrolyzes ATP, resulting in the attachment of myosin head with actin. Thus, the cross bridge cycle continues provided that the myosin head remains phosphorylated. The cross bridge cycle continues as long as the required cytoplasmic calcium concentration is maintained because phosphorylation depends on cytosolic calcium level. See here, first, calcium influx into the smooth muscle cell leads to binding of calcium with the calmodulin dependent myosin light chain kinase and causes the phosphorylation of myosin and increase the myosin ATPase activity. This leads to myosin binds with actin resulting in cross bridge formation, dephosphorylation of myosin by myosin light chain phosphatase and causes the latch bridge state, which is a sustained contraction or slow relaxation. In skeletal muscles, the contraction proceeds with activation of thin filament proteins like actin linked regulation, whereas in smooth muscles, the process of contraction is myosin based, which is a myosin linked regulation. See the difference, guys. In skeletal muscle, actin linked regulation. When it comes to the smooth muscles, myosin linked regulation. Okay. Next, mechanism of relaxation of smooth muscle. Relaxation is brought about by dephosphorylation of myosin light chain by enzyme myosin light chain phosphatase. This enzyme is constantly active during the periods of relaxation or contraction. During contraction, the rate of myosin light chain kinase induced phosphorylation exceeds the rate of myosin light chain phosphatase induced dephosphorylation and therefore amount of phosphorylated myosin increases in the cell which allows the contraction to proceed. When the cytoplasmic calcium concentration decreases, calcium is detached from the calmodulin, resulting in decline in myosin light chain kinase activity. Consequently, the activity of myosin light chain phosphatase predominates, causing dephosphorylation of myosin. The myosin ATPase enzyme remains inactive and relaxation ensures. Thus, the phosphorylation and dephosphorylation of myosin light chain is regulated by respective rise and fall of cytosolic calcium concentration. Unlike the skeletal muscle that demonstrate either twitch or tetanic concentration waves on stimulation, the smooth muscle exhibits the phasic and tonic type of contraction. Okay, see here what mean the phasic contraction and what mean the tonic contraction. In phasic type, the degree of phosphorylation, the rate of cross-bridge cycle and cytoplasmic calcium concentration return to the resting value following the phase of contraction. When comes to the tonic contraction, during tonic contraction, the above mentioned parameters don't return to the resting value, rather they remain elevated above the baseline. However, their activity remains less than their peak activity, producing a sustained tension in the muscle at the level of myosin light chain kinase phosphorylation that occurs with less expenditure of energy. This is possible due to the operation of latch bridge mechanism. Okay, this is about the molecular basis of contraction and mechanism of relaxation of smooth muscle. Okay, if you like my explanation, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe and don't miss the notifications. Thanks for watching.